Aloha, my name is Andy. In this video I will show how to upgrade the CPU from Core2 Duo E8500 to Core2 Duo E8500 to a HP Compaq dc7800 Ultra Slim Desktop PC. Let's begin. For the upgrade I need some tools: a screwdriver, a flat-bladed screwdriver to unscrew the screws from the heatsink, paper towel to clean the CPU and the heatsink from the thermal paste for the CPU, and the CPU. Now I will unplug all the cables: the power cable, the monitor cable, the internet cable, the keyboard and the mouse. I will unscrew this screw to remove the top cover. To remove the heatsink, I will use a flat-bladed screwdriver. Now I press the power button about 5 seconds to discharge the capacitors. First I remove the cooler, and now I will unscrew the 4 screws from the heatsink. So I remove the heatsink. This white stuff is thermal paste. You can see it on the CPU too. Normally I use isopropyl alcohol to clean the thermal paste, but now I don't use because I have 7 CPUs that I want to try with this motherboard. The CPU will remain in this PC for about 10-20 minutes. Now I will remove the old CPU. This is the new CPU. I will insert in the socket. Now I will apply the thermal paste, not too much. I put back the heatsink. And now I will screw the 4 screws. Okay, now I will put back the cooler. I will press it until I hear a click. OK. And now I will plug in all the cables. The keyboard, the mouse, the internet cable, the monitor cable, and the power cable. Now I will press the power button. I have video signal. That's good. The Windows is booting. The Windows recognizes the new hardware. I will restart the PC. The PC is restarting. I made a benchmark with NovaBench software, and here are the results. I put a link in the description too. That's it. Please subscribe, comment, and see you next time. Goodbye.